As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, have you been looking at new grills lately? I've been checking out the Weber Q1200 and the Genesis E335.
Oh yeah? I've seen those. The Q1200 seems super portable, right?
Totally! It's only 30 pounds, designed for tailgating. It runs on those small propane cylinders.
That's convenient. But what about the Genesis E335?
That's a beast, almost 200 pounds. It's a full-size grill for the backyard.
Huge difference then. What about cooking space?
The Q1200 has a cooking area of 189 square inches.
Okay, pretty small.
Yeah, great for a small family or for taking it on the go. The Genesis E335 doesn't specify cooking area, but it has 3 burners and a side burner and is clearly much larger.
So, more power too, I assume?
Exactly. The Q1200 has 1 burner with 8,500 BTU. The E335 doesn't list its BTU, but with 3 burners, it is significantly higher.
What about the grates?
The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which is a good heat conductor, and the Genesis E335 also uses porcelain enameled cast iron grates.
Are there any special features that set them apart?
The Genesis E335 has an extra-large Sear Zone and is compatible with Weber crafted grillware. The Q1200 has folding side tables for convenience.
And what about ignition?
Both have electronic ignition, so easy starts for both.
Price-wise?
Big difference. The Q1200 is around $259, while the Genesis E335 is about $1,049.
Wow, quite a jump. So it really comes down to portability versus size and features.
Exactly. If you need something for camping or tailgating, the Q1200 is the way to go. If you want a serious grill for your backyard with all the bells and whistles, the Genesis E335 is the better choice.
Makes sense. Thanks for the breakdown.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.